Number 1. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro. With a lightning-fast printing speed of 500 mm per second, this printer will have you creating your projects in no time. The upgraded X and Y axes with all-metal guide rails ensure precise and smooth prints every time. The Neptune 4 Pro features segmented heated zones, automatically adjusting to the model size to reduce power consumption and speed up heating. The direct drive extruder, with a 5.21 reduction ratio, provides powerful extrusion and smoother filament feeding, paired with a unique air duct design to minimize nozzle clogging. The printer's 121 points auto bed leveling system ensures quick and accurate leveling, while the 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle and extended hot end allow for faster melting and extrusion of various filament materials. This printer is incredibly easy to use and compatible with a wide range of filaments, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. What sets the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro apart from the competition is its speed, precision, and ease of use. However, the one downside is the potential for nozzle clogging if not properly maintained. Overall, if you're looking for a 3D printer that delivers on speed, precision, and reliability, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro is the one to beat. Check out the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro today and start bringing your creations to life. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring